The Place Smartline tool. To get to the Place Smartline tool, make sure you're on the drawing ribbon. Go over to the placement tools, and it's the first tool on the bar. It's called Place Smartline. Once you select it, you'll notice you get several different options when you open the tool. The first is segment types. You either select lines or arcs. We're going to leave it set to lines. We create arcs another way in MicroStation. The next option is Vertex. You can have chamfered, rounded, or sharp. We're going to set it to sharp. We'll change it later. The offset's grayed out. We're not going to worry about that. And if the join elements is checked on, it will join all the elements together. The rotate Accudraw checkbox, what it does is it will rotate the Accudraw compass as you draw your lines. We'll leave it checked off for now. And the start in line mode checkbox, what that does is if you change your segment type to arcs and then you quit the tool, when you come back into the Place Smartline tool, if that start in line mode checkbox is turned on, it will automatically switch the segment type back to lines. So now if I want to go out and place a smart line, all I have to do is go out to my screen. Of course, I'll check my status bar. It says Place Smart Line, enter the first vertex. So I'm going to go out here on my screen, left click to enter my first vertex. I can go out, left click for my next vertex. Of course, I can keep going. Put a few more vertexes out there. Once I'm done, I'll just right click to reset. Since my join elements was checked on, if I go up to my element selection tool and select this new element I just created, you can see it's joined all together. I'm going to do an undo. I'm going to go back to my Place Smartline tool. I'm going to uncheck the Join Elements button. Now if I go out to start my line, I do one vertex, do another. Maybe this time I want to make this next vertex a rounded vertex. So I'm going to go over here and change the sharp to rounded. It's going to change and give me a radius. Maybe I want that set to 5. So I hit 5 and enter. You can see that vertex there is going to be rounded. Maybe the next one I want to be chamfered. So I'm going to change it to chamfered. Of course, it's going to make it an offset. Maybe I want this offset to be 10. So I'll type in 10, hit enter. Go out to my screen. Now you can see this next vertex is chamfered. We'll go ahead and left click to accept that one. Then just right click to reset it. But since I had the join elements turned off, if I go up to my element selection tool, and select these elements, you can see each of these elements are a separate element. And that is pretty much it to the Place Smartline tool.